this video, we will talk about the features and applications of the Vicair Adjuster O2 wheelchair cushion. The Adjuster O2 consists of 5 individual compartments designed to contour under loading. This means that when you sit down on the cushion, it will automatically adjust to the shape of your body, hence the name Adjuster. Each compartment is designed to influence a specific area of the pelvis, striking a unique balance between preserving skin, improving posture, and providing stability. The 2 compartments at the back are designed for pressure distribution, facilitating optimal immersion and envelopment at the ischial, subtrochanter, and coccyx area. The bar-shaped compartment is designed to reduce sliding forward and prevent the pelvis from tilting backwards. These 2 separate zones at the front support the right and the left thigh. The Adjuster O2 can be used right out of the box for the majority of wheelchair users, especially for those who have a mild pelvic obliquity, benefit from a cushion that reduces sliding forward, and or needs a wheelchair cushion in a prevention of treatment programs for pressure injuries, ranging from category 1 to 4. This is partly due to the excellent microclimate properties of the cushion. For people with specific needs, the cushion compartments can be individually adjusted. It is so simple to tweak the cushion. Just take SmartCells in and out of the compartments. It takes minutes to set a cushion up optimally. We recommend to frequently check for redness of the skin and for bottoming out, especially when first using any wheelchair cushion. The Adjuster O2 is easy to use. There's no pump, no additional equipment needed to utilize that cushion. Furthermore, it is machine washable in its entirety. SmartCells staying in their compartments so that the setup is maintained. The cushion is safe to use due to the hundreds of SmartCells inside. Even in the unlikely event that a cell fails, you're still protected. The cushion is available in a low model and 2 high models, and a wide variety of sizes. The Adjuster O2 offers high-performance skin protection, provides optimal postural support, and is user-friendly. In short, the perfect package.
Vicair. Relief by air.